InfraWorks 2024 adds powerful capabilities for civil structures designers, driving operational efficiency through reduction in design time and enhanced data exchange. Critical geometry can now be identified quickly with the enhanced point level tool. Spot levels can be taken anywhere on the structure with the tool snapping to critical points in both 2D and 3D planes. When importing custom components, both optional and expected parameters are now listed in the dialog, reducing the chance of design errors. The use of consistent and familiar toolsets can often aid efficiency in the creation of design components. The support for Revit families has now been extended to include 2D geometry in addition to 3D components. Once the 2D outline has been developed in Revit, it can be added to the InfraWorks library of components, providing a consistent method for adding decks, girders, and tunnel sections. Once the library has been extended with the new components, they can be selected and added to the structure. These new components can then be copied and manipulated in the normal way. When importing custom parts with subcomponents, each subcomponent can now be configured with its own Revit category, and individual categories can now be applied to generic models to satisfy Revit category design requirements. In order to accommodate design changes more efficiently, the Check for Updates feature has been extended to cross-frames and 2D slice-based geometry, where 2D slice data is respected during the update process. These new features complement an already comprehensive advanced toolset for bridge designers, ensuring design requirements can be efficiently met. These capabilities now cover structural analysis, component design, modelling, and visualization of bridge structures.